Today I've got a Pontiac G6 and my brake light was staying on all the time and my cruise control wouldn't work, and so I actually replaced the brake switch, which is this little piece. I got another video on that, and that didn't fix it, and so I went with the easiest option, which I should have done first to fix that problem. Is you're gonna take this little panel off. All you do is pull on it and it pops off. Then you've got a control switch right here, and you pull this piece up, you push it back, and then it pulls down. And what you do is you get dielectric grease, which I've got right here, just like that. And you take and you put a little bit on your finger, and then you smear it across there. What's happening is, for some reason, it's not getting a good connection. So, see, I've got a little slather of it, and take and you just put it on there so it makes a good connection. And then you can just put that back on and pull this piece down. This little thing, I think, was 10 bucks. The other part was about 20 bucks, and it was a pain to get to. There's also one right here, up here, that you can do the same thing just to make sure it works. But this is the one that I've seen that is the biggest problem usually. I went ahead and did both of them, but that's how you that's the first process you can do, the first step you can do to see if you can fix it. Like I said, it's the cheapest and the easiest. If you have any questions, let me know.